Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 17. This lesson is suitable for learners doing grade 10 mathematics, grade 11 mathematics and grade 12 extended mathematics. Alright, so these two, the new curriculum. Alright, now in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to simplify algebraic fractions. And also in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do the multiplication and the division of algebraic fractions. So let us finish off addition. So let's say you are given something like this to simplify. So it's 3 over y squared minus 4 plus 2 over y squared minus 5y plus 6. So you want to write these two fractions as one. So as you can see here, this denominator is a difference between two squares, and this denominator is a quadratic trinomial, so we need to factorize this one by the same way you factorize the difference between two squares, and you factorize this one by using factors. Okay, so this one, if you factorize it, you're going to have y plus 2 and y minus 2. Okay, so the difference between two squares, that's how you factorize it. The second one, you want the factors of 6, and those factors, if you add them up, they'll give you negative 5, but if you multiply them, they'll give you positive 6. So those factors are 2 and 3, and they should all be negative, so it's going to be y minus 2 times y minus 3. So if you multiply them, they'll give you positive 6, but if you add them up, they'll give you negative 5. Now, if you look at this, they have a common bracket, but this one doesn't have y minus 3, and this one doesn't have y plus 2. So it means I'll multiply, and we go for red. So I'll multiply this one by y minus 3 over y minus 3. This side, I'll multiply both sides, the numerator by y plus 2 over y plus 2, so that I have the same denominators. Now once I do that, I can now carry on and multiply these numerators by numerators and denominators by denominators. So this one will be 3y minus 9. So these times that will give me 3y minus 9, and this one will be y minus 3, y plus 2, y minus 2. And then here I'll have 2y plus 4 over y minus 2, y minus 3, y plus 2. So now as you can see, my denominators are the same. What I need to do is just concentrate on the numerators. So I should just collect the like terms. And we are lucky this sign is positive. We don't have to put brackets around the second numerator. So if you can allow me to wipe this off, all this off. So since now my denominators are the same, I just need to look at the like terms. So this is a like term to that, and this one is a like term to that. Okay, so that will simplify to 3y plus 2y will give me 5y, negative 9 plus 4 will give me minus 5, and then everything over y minus 3, y plus 2, and y minus 2. So that is the final answer. Okay, all right, so now let us move over to multiplication and division. So when you are multiplying fractions, it's very simple. Let's say you have a over b multiplied by c over d. You just multiply numerator by numerator, which is ac over denominator by denominator. If there's anything common in the So that is common in the numerator and also the denominator. You can cancel them out. For division, I'll use the same, C over D, but this time around we are going to find the reciprocal of the second fraction and then change the sign to multiplication, so it's D over C. Now it's AD over BC. So if you can remember these steps, you are not going to struggle to do anything, any algebraic fractions. Okay, now let us look at the real work. Let us look at example number 1. We are given something like this. Simplify 3x over 2y times 4z over 5x. So it's multiplication. All we need to do is just multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 3 times 4 give us 12, and the letters in alphabetical order, x, z over 2 times 2, which is 2 times 5, sorry, which is 10, and then y times x will give us x, y. Now, because there's something common here, so this will cancel out, so that in the end we have 12z over 10y. And remember, I think 12 and 10 they have a highest common factor. They have a common factor of 2. 2 goes is 6. 2 goes is 5. So now we can write the final answer as 6z over 5y. That's the final answer. Alright. Okay, my friends, let us look at the second one.